Alrighty, I am here at Splash Car Wash in Colorado Springs. I came up here yesterday from Arizona and there's a ton of bugs on the front of the car, and so I hand prepped it. Anyway, here they have two super rare AccuTrack 360s by Petite car wash systems. We're going to run through one. They have this really neat system here called Flex Code or something like that. Basically, you swipe your card once, and well, you can enter your code at any one of these machines, and there you go. Anyway, there it is, AccuTrack 360 by Petite. Splash. All right, let's see if this works.
Please select one of our 4 washes.
Supreme Plus.
Would you like to purchase vacuum time for $1? Press yes or no.
No. Supreme Plus.
Would you like a receipt? Press yes or no.
No.
Please proceed slowly into the wash.
Alright, this will be my first AccuTrack 360. I'm very excited. Wow, those blasters were powerful. Out of gear, set parking brake. Green. Okay, they got a light strip up there. It's not on the machine, that's unusual. Powerful. Spot for your rinse already.
Please select one of our 4 washes. Would you like a receipt? Press yes or no.
Spot for your rinse already.
Please proceed slowly into the wash.
Spot for your rinse already.
1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. 13. 14. 15. 16. 17. 18. 19. 20. 21. 22. 23. 24. 25. 26. 27. 28. 29. 30. 31. 32. 33. 34. 35. 36. 37. 38. 39. 40. 41. 42. 43. 44. 45. 46. 47. 48. 49. 50. 51. 52. 53. 54. 55. 56. 57. 58. 59. 60. 61. 62. 63. 64. 65. 66. 67. 68. 69. 70. 71. 72. 73. 74. 75. 76. 77. 78. 79. 80. 81. 82. 83. 84. 85. 86. 87. 88. 89. 90. 91. 92. 93. 94. 95. 96. 97. 98. 99. 100. 101. 102. 103. 104. 105. 106. 107. 108. 109. 110. 1
Dang, this thing's fast. If you know me, you know I hate dryers, so we're gonna pull right back into the bay I just was and finish up with some spot-free rinse. All right. Let's see how the machine did. Dang. Okay. Wow, car looks really good. Too many bays active. I wonder what that means. So I wonder if it won't let you. That's the correct code. So I wonder if it only lets you enter the code one time at each station. But anyway, that is all. Thank you for watching the super rare AccuTrack 360. Goodbye.